This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block third-party cookies in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To block third-party cookies, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Then on the center pane, I'm going to go down to where it says Cookies, and I'm going to click on Cookies. And right up top here, the second thing down, Block Third-Party Cookies. Prevents sites from using cookies that track you across the web. Features on some sites may break. By default, it is probably toggled off, as you see mine is, but to block third-party cookies, you want to toggle this on. That is how to block third-party cookies on the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.